All right, as you guys can see, I got the engine already painted. So now I'm installing the spark plug. Because honestly, I don't want to leave the hose like that. I want to pull the hose and leave it with the spark plug in, pin tight. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now. See, it's already painted. I got all the spark plugs on this side right quick, you know. And I gotta get me a sensor, two sensors that goes here, the harness. Yeah, this is the type of spark plug I'm using. NGK. I'm using this one. There you go. Sure. This one is the spark plug I'm using. And these are the same spark plugs I got on my other engine. Yeah. So far, let me see. Okay. I have an intake right there that I found in the stove that I got back there in the house. I got some parts back there. I was looking for something else and I found that one. And I'm thinking about putting that one though. Hold on. It's the last spark plug. But nah. I'm gonna get me the other one. Yeah. That's how it looks now. It's a backyard build. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you guys how it looks with this one on. Oh, let me throw this away. Yeah. ¿Cómo estoy? Por arriba y así. Let me show you guys how.
El martes se oye y terminamos a las 2 lejos.
Right? You see? You see, it looks nice, but I really don't like that plastic shit. I don't like it. So I'm thinking about getting me the other one. Honestly, that one I don't like. It looks nice. It looks nice though. I'm not gonna lie. But for what I'm going for, what I'm doing, I don't think this one. Cause one of my friends, he got the same setup on his car, and he had twin turbo with the same intake, and I guess he has a lot of boost on some, I don't know, that he opened the hole, I think back here, a big hole, boom. So he had to change the intake for something else. So I don't want to go through the same thing. I'm not going twin turbo, but I'm gonna do a single turbo. Oh, I already told you guys. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna do a single turbo. I'm gonna put a big one on this side right here on the passenger side, a big turbo right here on the passenger side. And the intake, I'm getting me a nice intake. All right, so this is what I have done so far. So stay tuned for the other video. I'm gonna bring the truck. Probably by the next video, I'm gonna bring the truck so I can take the engine out. I'm gonna take it to my warehouse, the engine. I'm gonna put this one in, and then whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna take that other engine apart so I can take it to the machine shop and get it nice and clean. So I'm gonna put it on my other car, on my 73 Impala or my Chevy Bel Air, 55 Chevy Bel Air. I don't know. So for now, we're working on this one, focusing on my S10. Stacy. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe. And comment down below. Which one should I use? This one? Or the other one? The other one you guys don't know yet. But I'm gonna keep it as a surprise. I might get it. I'm waiting on it. If I get it tomorrow or by next week, I'm gonna do a video on it. And then I'm gonna put both pictures, and then you guys gonna comment down below. And I want you guys to tell me which one you guys the most. But I don't think I'll go with this one. Plastic. Don't like it. So thank you and God bless you all.